Another interesting stuff about Bosnian pyramids is its sacred geometry configuration. This is Valley of Bosnian pyramids, and this is how three main pyramids are positioned. Pyramid of Sun, of the Moon, and the Dragon. I am visiting sacred sites a lot. They truly are my passion, and my long-term research end up with conclusion that sacred sites and pyramids are very important in times of change we are going through. It seems like Earth is creating some kind of energetic pattern. It looks like it creates vortexes on places of a special power. And those vortexes, they swirl out patterns, blueprints for new Earth co-creation. And this is my little frozen water experiment, water communication. This is how water sees Bosnian pyramid, Valley of Pyramids. Pretty clear pyramid shapes, I would say.
I'm filming here today on top of the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun. This is the first in a series of videos that will be concentrating on the underlying geometry and linear alignments between the Bosnian pyramids and the surrounding hilltops within the Bosnian Pyramid Valley. It's my hope that at the end of this video series it will have convinced at least some of you that the Bosnian pyramids cannot be down to the work of nature. So the first geometric figure that becomes apparent within the Bosnian Pyramid Valley is the equilateral triangle. This is formed between the apices of the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun, Moon and Dragon. What's interesting to point out here is that all three of those pyramids are aligned accurately to the cardinal points north, south, east and west. In 2008 we used the automated linear anomaly detection system, which is usually used for tectonic studies, and we were able to determine and confirm that the break angles of the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun are each at 45 degrees, and this would be expected of a right square pyramid, and thus this confirms the accurate orientation to the cardinal points. So the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun, where I am right now, I'm at 766 meters above sea level. That makes this pyramid at least 300 meters tall. 2.2 kilometers away is the Bosnian Pyramid of the Moon, and that's 190 meters tall. That makes it 50 meters taller than the Great Pyramid of Giza. The smallest pyramid within the equilateral triangle is also the most southern pyramid, and that's the Pyramid of the Dragon, and that's 110 meters tall. Now, what is the significance of the equilateral triangle? Well, we actually find the figure of the equilateral triangle around other megalithic sites and pyramid complexes around the world. Also, the equilateral triangle is fundamental to geometry. In Euclid's Elements, Book 1, his first proposition is focused on the construction of an equilateral triangle. We also see in occult schools of wisdom, Masonry for example, the equilateral triangle is used symbolically. Now, often we will find that the equilateral triangle is circumscribed with a circle, or often symbolically the circle is replaced with a serpent. And in actual fact, if we circumscribe the equilateral triangle here in Bosnia, the peak behind me, which is called Chetnica, the second tallest peak adjacent to the Bosnian Pyramid of the Sun, that falls exactly on the circumscribed circle.
If you are from Australia and pyramids and sacred sites are of your interest, Dr. Sam, founder of Bosnian Pyramids, is coming to Australia tour. Details in comments below.